This is a tutorial for the Casio fx-350MS, many other Casio models, and various clones of Casio calculators to do two variable statistics. You'll see in this video I use an A+ homework, which is one of the many Casio clones. We are going to be using the X, Y data shown here, and the first thing we need to do is turn on the calculator. We will do this by pressing the on button in the upper right-hand corner. Once the calculator is turned on, we will press the mode button. We're going to choose number 3, reg, for regression. That will be used for two variable statistics. We want to deal with linear in this example. So we will use 1. We're now going to use the number keys, the comma key, and the M+ button to enter data values into the memory. We will do this by entering the X value, pressing comma, entering the Y value, and then pressing M+. And notice that once you've done that, it will tell us n equal to, in this case, 1, letting us know that we have one data value in there. We will then enter the next X, Y values in M+, and then it will tell us that we have 2, and then as we do it, 3, 4, etc., letting us know how many data values we have entered. When all of the X, Y ordered pairs have been entered into the calculator using this method, we will press the Shift and the S sum button. The number 1 button, you see it says S sum. That gives us summary statistics. And we can select individually what we'd like. Let's move the calculator out of the way so we can see what the data should be. And we'll select the number of the data value that we're looking for. In this case, the sum of x squared, and hit equals so it will actually display that. We then have to go back in the same way, Shift 1 to get to linear, and go to choose the next one by choosing the value, so 2 and 3 respectively, to get us our other summations. If we want to go beyond that, we're going to need to use the replay arrow pad so that we can move to the right. Notice that arrow on the right-hand side of the screen says there's more options. So if I press that, it gives me more options. Sum of y squared, doing the same steps, arrow over, sum of y, same steps, arrow over, sum of xy, so 3 equals. And that works our way through our summary statistics. If we use the Shift and the 2 button, or SVAR button, that'll show us our statistics variables to give us things like means and standard deviation. Choosing 1 gives us x bar, the sample mean. Again, using SVAR, we can go into 2, and we can find the standard deviation for the population and then for the sample. And we can do that for our X values and for our Y values. Again, using the arrows to get to the ones that aren't shown initially on the screen. And we can work our way through a number of these, including A, B, and R for our slope, intercept, and correlation coefficient. And yes, although this calculator is very capable, it is a tedious process to pull all of the summary statistics, the summations, and the variables out of the calculator, as we have to go back in repeatedly to get each individual data value. We can now press the AC button, the all clear button, to clear the screen. To get out of the statistics mode, we will press the mode button again, and we'll use the 1 key, which will put us back into computational mode. And then to turn off the calculator, we can hit the shift key and the AC key, which above it has off, and that will turn off the calculator. Thank you for watching the video, and have a wonderful day.